Search has changed. It's no longer just about keywords and rankings. It's about helping search engines. And I understand who you are, what you do, and why your content matters. In this guide, Gaurav Soni has break down schema markup in a simple, practical way. You'll learn the fundamentals, see real-world examples, and understand how structured data helps search engines and AI platforms connect the dots between your brand, content, products, and expertise. Whether you're new to schema or looking to prepare for the future of AI-driven search, this guide will help you build a stronger foundation for visibility, trust, and discoverability.
Schema markup acts as a translator, turning human language into machine-understandable data. It removes ambiguity, helping AI models clearly define what your content is about. By structuring your data, you enable algorithms to parse information instantly. This skips the need for complex, resource-heavy natural language processing, making your content more accessible to knowledge graphs. JSON-LD has emerged as the universal standard for search engine communication. It's supported by major tech leaders, keeps your HTML clean, and is Google's preferred format for structured data. Every schema object is built on 4 pillars: the context, the type of entity, its specific properties, and how it nests with other entities. Getting this structure right is vital for precise AI mapping. Modern SEO is shifting away from just chasing keywords. Instead, it's about defining entities, identifiable concepts with clear attributes and relationships, giving machines a true sense of identity and context. To build a strong foundation, start with organization, local business, and person schemas. These 3 verify who you are, where you're located, and who is behind your content, which is key for EEAT signals. For specific visibility, utilize intent-driven schemas like product, article, FAQ, and review. These types help you capture rich results and ensure your commerce or content assets stand out in AI ecosystems. Let's look at one of the biggest mistakes businesses make with schema markup. On the left, we have what I call isolated schema. We add an organization schema, maybe a product schema, and perhaps a person schema, but none of them are connected. To a search engine, these are just separate pieces of information. Now look at the right side. Instead of standalone tags, we've connected the entities together. We show that a person founded the organization, and that the organization offers a product. Suddenly, search engines don't just see data, they see relationships. Think of it like introducing people at a networking event. If everyone stands alone in different corners of the room, it's hard to understand how they're connected. But once you introduce who works with whom, who founded the company, and what products they offer, the full picture becomes clear. This is exactly how modern search and AI systems work. They're not looking for isolated facts anymore. They're trying to build a knowledge graph, a connected understanding of your business. The more relationships you define through schema, the easier it becomes for Google, AI overviews, ChatGPT, Gemini, and other AI systems to understand who you are, what you offer, and why you're relevant. The key takeaway is simple. Don't just add schema tags. Connect them. The real power of schema comes from creating a network of entities that tells the complete story of your business. The same as property is a powerful tool for identity verification. By connecting your main website to profiles on platforms like Wikipedia or LinkedIn, you consolidate your digital footprint and boost your authority. Transforming your brand into a recognized entity is a journey. It starts with code deployment, moves to recognition, leads to knowledge graph inclusion, and culminates in earning high-confidence AI citations. LLMs need accurate data to avoid hallucinations. Providing clear, machine-readable facts through structured data acts as an anchor, resulting in much more reliable AI search responses for your brand. Fine-tune your schema using advanced properties like @ID, main entity, about, and mentions. These allow you to explicitly define the scope and focus of your content for the search engines. Avoid common pitfalls like incorrect classifications, poor data integrity, or missing properties. Flawed implementation doesn't just confuse machines, it can cause you to lose your rich snippets and trigger penalties. Finally, always prioritize continuous validation. By using both the Schema Markup Validator and Google's Rich Results Test, you ensure your code is technically sound and optimized for maximum search visibility. Schema serves as a bridge, translating your human expertise into verifiable algorithmic trust signals. By mapping experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness to machine-readable markup, you effectively quantify your brand's credibility for search engines. Achieving true AI readiness requires a multi-layered authority strategy. While branding and content are important, the base of your digital authority is built upon the entity layer, using structured data and knowledge graphs to support everything above it. The future of search is shifting from simple HTML scraping toward direct, agentic protocols. By implementing robust schema markup today, you are laying the necessary groundwork for your brand to be fully integrated into the autonomous agent ecosystems of tomorrow.